Get out, Toads! This is a no-toad zone!
Oh, leave them alone, Bo. They're not bothering you.
Yes, they are! They're everywhere! They're the green and the slimy and... bleh. Must be toad weather today. Swoptops here. Helping you is what we do.
Oh, Mojo, Bo, we could use your help out on the lake. We're stuck in the mist and Brian's getting a little bit spooked.
I'm not spooked. I'm fine. Just a spot of rust on the old rudder is all.
He is spooked. Could you perhaps give us some help back to shore?
Hang tight, Captain Gale. We'll be right there.
A job on the lake calls for one thing and one thing only.
Yeah, the crane top.
Ooh, we could use it for fishing.
How about the monster top?
I think Brian's spooked enough as it is.
Okay, how about this? It's time to swap that top! Oh, this mist is a bit spooky.
Well, I like it. It's exciting. You never know what you might bump into. Ah!
Don't be scared, Brian. It's us.
Scared? Not me. I was the scared. Not about some silly monster.
Monster?
Oh, aye. Haven't you heard the legend of the Swopperton Lake Monster?
Oh, dear.
They say the lake monster comes out only on misty days, much like today. They say it follows unwary ships lost in the fog, much like Brian here.
Be brave, Brian. Be brave, Brian. Be brave, Brian.
They say it makes a sound the likes of which you've never heard, a sound that could chill your bones. A sound much like that one.
That's brilliant! Oh, I know. Let's go and catch the monster. Then Brian won't be scared anymore.
Oh, I told yous, I'm not scared.
Ha! That settles it then. We've got ourselves a little monster hunt.
We what?
Ooh, great idea, Captain Gale. Bo and I'll lure it this way.
We will?
And you and Brian can catch it. The noise came from over there.
Those be the sandy shallows. They say that any ship that sails there ends up with a sandy bottom.
They do?
Wow, whoever they are, they see a lot of stuff. Let's go, buddy.
Okay, buddy.
If I was a lake monster, I think I'd live here. There's lots of great...
What was that?
Dunno. Bird?
What was that?
Dunno. Another bird?
What's that?
I don't know. Hello? Monster! Monster! Oh, I know. I'll try speaking monster language.
I'm not sure that's a good idea, Mojo.
that noise?
That must be the monster.
It's got Mojo and Bo.
Hang on, look, over there.
It's the monster!
No, wait, Brian! It's only us! We better get after him.
Monster!
No, wait, Brian, be brave, Brian.
Monster!
Brian! Stop, Brian! Mojo, did that sign say waterfall?
Monster!
It's Mojo and Bo. Brian, hold, stop!
Mojo and Bo! Oh, I can't stop, Captain!
These waters be too strong.
No! Waterfall!
Prepare to drop anchor. Oh, you see, Brian, there's nothing to be scared of. Oh, dear.
Oh dear! Oh no! I'm too young to fly!
If we get close on the water, we'll be swept away too. That branch won't hold for long. It's time for our hot swap. We'll be right back, Brian. Stick around.
But I'm scared.
Ah, me old shipmate. All the bravest people in the world are scared.
In that case, I'll be the bravest boat in the world.
Attaboy.
Hurry, Mojo. Brian doesn't have much time. But what about these sandbanks? Hold on, Toad.
Oh, Brian, we've been in worse scrapes than this.
Aye, Captain. I didn't know what I was thinking.
Whoa!
Don't worry, everybody. We're back. Anyone need a lift?
Whoa!
Hooray!
We're coming down. Grab it, Captain.
Oh, no! The wind!
It's stuck. Someone has to climb down there and untangle it.
Whoa!
I'm never going to make it in time. Toad?
Well, Brian, this adventure will become a new Swopperton legend. The tale of Brian the Brave.
I don't know what you mean. I'm always brave.
Thanks to you, Toad, I won't be afraid of slimy things ever again. That's very brave of you, Bo. Oh, look, I think he likes you.
Well, you've made yourself a wee pal there.
How does that feel, Mojo? Nearly there. Maybe one more? And another? Ah! You all right, Bo? Yep. I'll get that. Mojo Swoptops helping you is what we... do. Huh? Must be one of those self-knocking doors.
Shh! She'll hear you.
Ooh, a present. Who's it for?
It's for Dot's birthday. I need you to deliver a present to the party.
Oh, well, that sounds easy.
Well, it isn't. Every year she finds a present early and opens it.
Well, not this year. Helping you is what we do.
Just remember, no present until party time.
Got it. Nan, are you in there?
Ooh, here, hide the present. Quick.
Is my present in here?
Hello, dear.
We're just, whistling casually. Care to join us? What's that? Is there something in there? Is that my present? Ooh, ice cream.
Meet me later at the jetty. You'd better, swap that top.
We're gonna need to drive somewhere that Dot can't go.
I know what you're thinking. Fire top.
I wasn't thinking that.
Oh, well then I know what I'm thinking.
I'm thinking it too. It's time to
Swap that top!
Monster Top! Don't worry, Nan. With Mojo's Monster Top, we can go anywhere. There's no way Dot can keep up.
Don't be so sure. The party isn't until this afternoon. Until then, there's nowhere you can run. There's nowhere you can hide. She absolutely will not stop until she gets that present.
Presents! Mojo is go-go!
Right. Let's get this party ready.
Where can we go? Deep underground? High in the mountains? I hear the moon is nice this time of year.
Not that far. She can't keep up with a Monster Top. She's riding a tricycle.
Present! How fast is that thing?
We better get a move on. No present till party time, Dot. That was close.
I think we lost her. Ah! Present! I want my present! Ah!
This way. Watch out!
Bo, I can't see where I'm going!
Open your eyes then.
That's better. Look out, Betty!
Oh, hi, Nan. Thank goodness. Is the party ready?
Sorry, Bo, not quite. Dot hasn't opened her present, has she?
No, not yet.
I knew I could count on you two. Remember, no present till party time.
That gives me an idea. Can I borrow your toolbox? Sure.
What are you doing in there? It's tickling me.
It just needs a little... Aha! Perfect. Time for a switcheroo.
My present.
Yes, it worked. She's definitely fallen for it.
Excuse me. Not my present.
Oh, sorry, Dot. Just got to go for a... hot swap!
Present!
Another present!
Present! My present! I want my present!
Lights off! Happy birthday, Dot!
Not fair!
Ah! She's gaining on us!
Is she still with us?
Don't worry, we're nearly there! Hey, Nance! Better delivery!
Thanks, Bo. You're just in time. It's party time! That means it's present time. Happy birthday, Dot. This is for you.
Did that just happen?
Hey, my present!
The present! That's Dot's present!
Whoa! Look at her go!
Do you think she's ever done that before? Nope.
Mojo, Bo, save Nan! Mojo is go-go!
Give me back that present!
Nan, grab this rope!
Got it! Now follow that present!
She's definitely done that before.
Straight ahead! For you.
Oh, thank you, Nan. You are amazing.
Oh, don't you want to open your...
Presents! New tricycle!
It can't possibly be faster than the old one, can it? I don't know, but we're about to find out.
Mojo, Bo, wanna race?